What's up, YouTube? Welcome to John's Daily Hustle. So if you guys know me, you have known that I've been wanting to get some kind of bagging system or some way to collect grass and leaves and stuff like that for my zero-turn mower. Well, check this out. This came up on Facebook Marketplace. I ended up getting an Accelerator grass catcher. This thing is pretty nice. Now, as you guys can see, there's no way to mount it to my Lexmark Quest, my residential mower. So I could probably make one for it if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to run it on that at all. This will be strictly used for my Lexmark Radius, my commercial mower. And it does mount pretty good. The only thing is I have to take the chute blocker off. So I'm going to take that off, and we'll go ahead and cut some grass and check it out and see how it works. Now, I did try it out on my Bobcat walk-behind mower, and it worked, but it kept falling off, because it sticks out so far. And just the way the Bobcat's made, if I went over any kind of, bump in the terrain, it would knock it off. I could probably make a way, fabricate a way to put a bungee cord on it or something to make it not do that. But to be honest with you guys know I honestly don't like using the Bobcat that much. So we're just going to mainly use it for the Lexmark Radius. So today, we're going to cut our own grass, but we're going to collect it using the Accelerator on the zero turn. Got a lot, even though it was mostly, dried up dead grass and weeds, but let's see, it dumps out pretty easily. Works pretty good. Alright, so as you guys got to see there, I went ahead and mowed my grass with it and used it as just a grass catcher, because obviously I don't have one like I had said. Now, it works pretty good. The only thing I did notice is it's kind of small, so it fills up fast, and it falls off pretty easily on this. So as you guys probably seen in that video, it does fall off when you hit bumps. I was having the same problem on the Bobcat walk behind, but the Bobcat walk behind was doing it a lot more. So I may have to figure something out, make some kind of bracket or something to make it hold it on, or put a bungee cord or something on it. But then again, I also don't really need to worry about it too much because it doesn't do it that often with the zero turn. Now, I still want to build a grass catcher for my zero turn. I'm probably going to do that this winter time, coming up pretty soon by the time you guys are watching this video. So I'm hoping to at least build one that's bigger, but right now this will work pretty well. Like I said, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. As soon as it came up, I snagged it. I got it for $100, so I was pretty happy with it. It's the only one I've seen on Facebook Marketplace here in my area, and I'm starting to see why people aren't selling them, because they work pretty good for what they are. I mean, it's nice to have a little backup, or if you're doing a small yard, it would be perfect. But even big yards it'll work. You'll just be dumping it a lot. You guys are going to be seeing it a lot when I'm doing my dethatching videos and stuff like that. That's what I use to collect all the thatch grass and dead grass and stuff. And I'll be doing leaf cleanups and stuff with it. I'll also be doing a review of it. I'll definitely get it to use, and you guys will definitely get to see some videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.